If you can hang a picture, you can hang your zebra shades in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All zebra shades have the same basic parts, the shade itself and the necessary mounting hardware. Today, we're installing a zebra shade with an included cassette headrail, as you can see here. Depending on the type of shade you ordered, the pieces or parts you have may be a little different, but that's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you start. If your zebra shades came with a band around the middle, do not remove it until your shade is fully installed. Also, it is essential that you do not operate your zebra shade until it is fully installed to prevent any damage from occurring. We're going to be hanging the shade as an outside mount, so the brackets will be attached to the wall above the window. The front of the bracket will face out from the window and the back of it hangs down like this. I'm hanging a zebra shade with pull-on motorization, so all of the working components are enclosed in the cassette. Starting at the top left corner of the window, measure inward 2 to 4 inches and make a mark with your pencil. Repeat this, but from the top right corner of the window. From each of your first marks, measure straight up at least 1 inch and make another mark. In our case, we will measure 2 inches above the window. You're ready to attach the brackets. With the tab towards the ground, place the brackets in the previously marked locations and mark where the 2 screws will go. Before actually drilling in the screws, it's a good idea to pre-drill the holes to make it easier to put them in. Place the bracket over the holes and drill the screws in loosely. This gives you a little wiggle room for any adjustments to make sure the brackets are straight and aligned properly. Once the brackets are lined up, finish drilling the screws in all the way. Now we're going to put the cassette onto the brackets. See this little groove on the top? That's where the brackets will snap onto it. Grasp the cassette so the front of the shade is facing you and rest the top of it onto the top lip of the brackets. Then push the bottom front of the headrail firmly back toward the wall until it catches on the back of the brackets and snaps into place. When it does, you'll hear a click. That's it! Before testing the shade, safely remove the paper protective bands. Also, make sure the bottom rail is centered on the fabric to avoid any issues with operation. Now just tug on the motorized pull wand to activate your shade and make sure it's working properly. Tug the wand again to stop its progress. Tug one more time to make it go in the opposite direction. If you need to remove your shade, raise it fully into the cassette. Reach up under with a flathead screwdriver and slide it between the headrail and the release tab of the brackets. Then just lift the cassette out and away from the window. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new zebra shades from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please see your product's installation guide on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.